Have you ever wondered how YouTube seems to know exactly what you want to watch next? It's as though it's reading your mind, isn't it? Well, it's not magic, but the result of intricate algorithms at play. Let's break it down. Imagine an algorithm as a recipe, and YouTube is the master chef, always tweaking the ingredients for the perfect dish. This dish is the list of videos you see recommended to you. So what goes into this recipe? There are several factors. Your viewing history is a major ingredient. The videos you've liked, the channels you frequently watch, all these are thrown into the mix. But it's not just about what you've watched. The algorithm also considers how long you've watched a video, whether you've shared it, and even the comments you've left. So, in essence, the YouTube algorithm is a complex system that uses your activity to suggest videos that it thinks you'll enjoy. Now that we understand what an algorithm is, let's dive deeper into how YouTube's algorithm works. Imagine the algorithm as a chef in a bustling kitchen, juggling three main ingredients: performance metrics, personalization, and experimentation. Performance metrics are like the spices, giving the algorithm a taste of how well a video performs. This includes watch time, likes, comments, and shares. The more people savor a video, the more the algorithm will serve it up. Next comes personalization, the recipe tailored to each viewer. The algorithm considers your past viewing history, search queries, even the amount of time you spend on certain videos. It's like the chef remembering your favorite dish and making it just the way you like it. The final ingredient is experimentation. The algorithm constantly tests new videos in the mix, seeing how they fare. It's the chef trying out new recipes, always on the lookout for the next big hit. So, YouTube's algorithm is not just about what you've watched before, but also about what you might want to watch based on your viewing habits. Let's recap what we've learned about YouTube's mysterious algorithm. It's an elusive enigma, yet vital to grasp for anyone keen on maximizing their YouTube experience. The primary objective of this algorithm, at its core, is to keep you, the viewer, hooked onto YouTube for as long as possible. We've delved into the nitty-gritty of how YouTube's algorithm works, highlighting the significance of performance metrics, personalization, and experimentation. Performance metrics, encompassing factors like watch time, viewer engagement, and frequency of uploads, play a pivotal role in how videos are recommended. Personalization, on the other hand, tailors your viewing based on your past preferences and viewing habits. Lastly, YouTube continually experiments, tweaking and adjusting the algorithm to optimize viewer satisfaction. Remember, understanding YouTube's algorithm is the key to unlocking a more personalized viewing experience. Happy viewing!